Tell me when to roll it.
Wiping the sweat off my face after bringing cold steel to life in my forge with 1600 degrees of fire, a 100-year-old hammer, and a 200-year-old anvil, looking down at the blade that was just made, starting from absolutely nothing, crafted by the master architect himself, my heavenly Father. His guiding hands and my willing spirit is truly an amazing experience, one that I would love to share with my friends, family, and fans of Indy hammered knives. This daily joyous experience is what led me to the craft, and one that allows me to not conform to the national narrative of live to work, and the one that now allows me to only work to live. That is why I'm offering the Indy Hammered Knife Academe, a 2-day knife making class where a group of those wanting to unleash their inner craftsman and learn the whole process of knife making, where they not only go home with a handmade Indy hammered knife, but a true experience and a new skill set. I absolutely look forward to seeing you in the Indy Forge.